Hello all, Jamie Rodgers here today for Creative Expressions, and today we're going to be looking at a top tip with Pixie Sparkles. This is our textured backgrounds technique. Now I love this one, it's so easy to create. What you're going to need first of all is some Cosmic Shimmer clear texture paste, and then your choice of cardstock. I've gone for gold Miri card because I love how this technique works with Miri card, because once we've dried it, if there are any gaps in between where our texture base is or where our pixies have landed, the gold will shine through. If there are any low areas, any thin areas of texture paste and pixies, it will also shine through them and just give you a really lovely luminescent effect. Once we've applied our clear texture paste all across the cardstock, I then take the bottom of my palette knife and just pat it all over the texture paste, and this will bring it up into a 3D feel because it's going to end up with like little tips to mountains from where we've sort of pulled away, and I think that's really lovely because it'll give us more texture once it's complete. Take your Pixie Sparkles, tap these all the way across the top. I'm going to be using Beyond Blue, Coral Crush and Groovy Grape. I'm also going to use one of our highlighter Pixie Sparkles. These ones don't have any dye colour to them, they are just the mica, and I've gone for Molten Gold. So we've got a sparkly gold element to go on top of the gold Miri card. Once you've tapped as many colours as you wish to, in whichever combination you wish to, across the top of the Miri, we can then mist with water to activate those products exactly the same as we normally would. Because this is a gluey base, if you wanted to sprinkle in glitters and other mediums, you certainly could. Once it's dry, this is what we have created. So this is just a really fun textural background. Here's a card I made with the same idea to show you how you could layer this up if you want to. And then here's another background created with some other colours just to show you the versatility of the technique. All of the products I've shared with you in today's video are of course available from Creative Expressions stockists.